How to use vouchers on Hopper app. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can use vouchers on Hopper app. So in order to use a voucher on Hopper app, this is basically like redeeming a gift card. So what you need to do is, in order to use your voucher, first of all launch to your Hopper application and log into your account. After you're logged into your Hopper app, you can see right on top there are multiple tools, such as you can either book a hotel, flight, car, homes and all that. And likewise, you can also use your voucher on any of these following. Now if you're booking a flight or if you're booking a hotel, you can use the voucher on the payment method and you can get certain amount of discount. So for now, I'm just going to show you how you can actually redeem it. First of all, I'm just going to select where I'm actually staying. After that, book the date. Once you've done that, click on choose date, which is right at the bottom, and now you'll start seeing a list of hotels that's registered on Hopper app. So you can go through it and select the particular hotel that you think is best. Go ahead and tap on view rooms. Once you've done that, it's going to direct you to the checkout page where you'll be able to see all sorts of information such as pricing details and all that. Now if you're sure about it, click on reserve, which is right at the bottom, and it's going to ask you to confirm it by giving an advance. Basically, you'll have to make a wire transfer or maybe a card transaction. Now just go through the statement and then select the price accordingly, and now you can see there this kind of information. After that, it's going to take you to the payment section where you'll be able to see vouchers. So you'll need to tap on the vouchers button, and after that you need to enter in the vouchers code. Once you've done that, click on apply button and you'll be able to see a discount on your summary page. So that's basically how you can use a voucher on Hopper app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.